हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द लाइव सेशन। तो अभी मैं शुरू करने वाली हूँ एनसीईआरटी का जो मॉक टेस्ट था उसका। कल मैंने सेट 1 किया था और आज करूँगी सेट 2 ज्योग्राफी का जो है। तो मैं अभी शुरू कर रही हूँ और अगर आपको किसी का आंसर आता है तो आप मेरे साथ करते चलिए और चैट में मुझे आंसर बताइए। तो शुरू करते हैं। लैक ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर अराउंड द मून इज ड्यू टू, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है ये। एंड ऑप्शन है लो एस्केप वेलोसिटी ऑफ एयर मॉलिक्यूल्स एंड लो ग्रेविटेशनल attraction, high escape velocity of air molecules and low gravitational attraction, low gravitational attraction, high escape velocity of air molecule। तो इसका आंसर होगा डी, हाई एस्केप वेलोसिटी ऑफ एयर मॉलिक्यूल्स ओनली। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है which one among the following covers the highest percentage of forest area in the world? ऑप्शन है टेम्परेट कॉनिफरस फॉरेस्ट, टेम्परेट डेसिडियस फॉरेस्ट, ट्रॉपिकल मानसून फॉरेस्ट, ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट। तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, टेम्परेट कॉनिफरस फॉरेस्ट। कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग characteristics of the plateau. It is the oldest of the all plateaus. It is very extensive and it is occasionally surrounded by mountains. The above given characteristics represent which kind of plateau? Domed sea plateaus, continental plateaus, volcanic plateaus, piedmont plateaus। तो इसका आंसर है कॉन्टिनेंटल प्लेट्यूज। The chief characteristics of shifting agriculture are destruction of forest, high dependence on manual labor, high dependence on chemical fertilizers, rotation of areas rather than crops। तो इसका आंसर है डी, 1, 2 और 4। What is the order of arrival of seismic waves at a seismograph? S wave first followed by R wave and P wave, L wave first followed by P wave and S wave, body wave first followed by surface wave and S wave, P wave first followed by S wave and surface wave। तो इसका आंसर है डी, P wave first followed by S wave and surface wave। Which of the religious groups given below have the largest following as per percentage of world's population? तो इसका ऑप्शन है क्रिश्चियन एंड मुस्लिम्स, क्रिश्चियन एंड हिंदूज, हिंदूज एंड मुस्लिम, क्रिश्चियन एंड बुद्धिस्ट। तो इसका आंसर है क्रिश्चियंस एंड मुस्लिम्स। Which of the following countries does not border Lithuania? पोलैंड, यूक्रेन, बेलारूस, नॉर्थ सी। तो इसका आंसर है नॉर्थ सी। Which one of the following is the correct sequence of increasing velocity of wind? Light breeze, fresh breeze, gale, hurricane. Fresh breeze, light breeze, hurricane, gale. Light breeze, gale, fresh breeze, hurricane. Hurricane, light breeze, gale, fresh breeze। तो इसका सीक्वेंस बताना है इंक्रीजिंग वेलोसिटी ऑफ विंड के हिसाब से। तो इसका आंसर होगा ए, लाइट ब्रीज, फ्रेश ब्रीज, गेल, ह्यूरिकेन। Which one of the following countries does not border the Caspian Sea? Armenia, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan। तो इसका आंसर है ए, अर्मेनिया। Secondary circulation in atmosphere consists of polar easterlies, temperate cyclones, mountain winds, monsoon, sea breezes। Select the correct answer using the course given below। तो सेकेंडरी सर्कुलेशन में एटमॉस्फेयर में क्या क्या रहता है वो बताना है। तो इसका आंसर है सी, 2 and 4 ओनली, टेम्परेट साइक्लोन और मानसून। प्राइम मेरिडियन passes through which of the following countries? France, Spain, Algeria, Mali, UK, Morocco, Niger and Nigeria, Cameroon, Gabon, Congo and Angola, Namibia, Portugal, Denmark and Belgium। तो इसका आंसर है ए, फ्रांस, स्पेन, अल्जेरिया एंड माली। The groundwater can become confined between two impermeable layers. This type of enclosed water is called artesian, artesian well, unconfined groundwater, confined groundwater. तो इसका आंसर है ए, artesian. Examine the following statements and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Most of the tropical cyclones are circular in shape. Most of the tropical cyclones originate on the western margins of the ocean. The release of latent heat helps in the rotation of tropical cyclone. The highest velocity of winds is observed in the eye of the cyclone. तो इसका आंसर है ए, 1, 2 and 3 only. By a much wider and deeper channel or lagoon. The barrier reefs have narrow gaps at several places to allow the water from the enclosed lagoon to return to the open ocean. The best known example of the barrier reef is the Great Barrier Reef off the coast of Queensland. तो इसका आंसर है डी, all are correct. An air mass is massive and thick, has homogeneous temperature and humidity, has specific source regions, moves rapidly from the source region. Which of the above statements is not correct? तो इसमें not correct पूछा है, तो इसका आंसर है डी, moves rapidly from the source region. Which of the following factors does not favor dew? Long nights, calm air, overcast sky, high relative humidity. तो इसका आंसर है सी, overcast sky. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Primary sex ratio, sex at the time of conception. Secondary sex ratio, sex at the time of birth. Tertiary sex ratio, sex at the time of enumeration. Imbalanced sex ratio, sex of workers. तो इसका आंसर है सी, 2 and 4 करेक्टली मैच पूछा है इसमें. Coriolis effect is produced by pressure distribution, pressure gradient, revolution of the earth, rotation of the earth. तो इसका आंसर है डी, rotation of the earth. With which of the following pressure belts are the harsh latitudes associated? Equatorial low pressure, subtropical high pressure, subpolar low pressure, polar high pressure. तो इसका आंसर है बी, subtropical high pressure. The Red Sea lies between two hot deserts. Its salinity is greater than that of the Mediterranean Sea because the Red Sea is located in the trough of the Great Rift Valley. The Red Sea has much more moisture loss. The Red Sea is smaller than the Mediterranean Sea. The Red Sea receives fresh water from fewer rivers than does the Mediterranean Sea. तो इसका आंसर होगा डी. The Red Sea receives fresh water from fewer rivers than does the Mediterranean Sea. In which of the following regions will you expect the highest amount range of temperature? Savanna region, equatorial region, taiga region, monsoon region. तो इसका आंसर है बी, equatorial region. Latitude is the angular distance of a point on Earth's surface measured from the equator, prime meridian, center of Earth, poles. तो इसका आंसर है सी, center of Earth. Which of the following region is known as the Big Game Country? Mediterranean region, mid latitude Greenland, the taiga region, tropical grassland. तो इसका आंसर है डी, tropical grassland. Consider the following statements. Most of the weather phenomena are associated with stratosphere. Lower part of stratosphere is called ozonosphere. Which of the following statements is or are correct? इसका आंसर है बी, 2 only. Which of the following is true about river deposition? Deposition takes place when a river has insufficient water to transport its load. Larger particles are deposited first. Deposition will occur when the speed of a river is reduced. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. इसका आंसर है डी, all of these. Which of the following statements is not true about the laterite soils? They are heavily leached, they contain oxides of iron, they are very useful for agricultural crops, they are found in hot and humid regions of equatorial rainforest. तो इसका आंसर है सी, they are very useful for agricultural crops. The principal copper deposits of India lie in which of the following places? Hazaribagh and Singhbhum of Bihar, Khetri and Daribo areas of Rajasthan, Anantapur in Andhra Pradesh, Sivaliks in Uttar Pradesh and in Karnataka. तो इसका आंसर है ए, हजारीबाग एंड सिंघभूम ऑफ बिहार. Consider the following statements. Parent rock is more important as an agent of soil formation during longer duration. Two different parent materials may form same soil in the same type of climate, and same parent material may form different soils under different climates. तो इसका आंसर है B. Only 2 is correct. Consider the following statements. Cherrapunji is located on the south side of Garo Hills. Cherrapunji is about 1700 meters above mean sea level. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? तो इसका आंसर है D. Neither one, not two. Which of the following is not a characteristic feature of a cirque? It is a steep-walled rock basin on side of a mountain. It resembles the shape of a vast amphitheater. It has a flat bottom. It has steep slope on all the four sides. तो इसका आंसर है D. It has steep slope on all the four sides. With reference to the Indian River, consider the following statement. Sardha rises in the eastern Himalayas and joins Ghagra as its left bank tributary. Ghagra is a left bank tributary of Ganga. Sardha is known as Kali in Himalayas. Which of the given above statements is or are correct? This answer is B. 2 and 3 only. Mechanical weathering is more pronounced in arid and cold climates, arid and hot climates, hot and humid climates, hot and dry climates. तो इसका आंसर है A. Arid and cold climates. With reference to India, which one of the following statements is not correct? About one-third of the area records more than 750 millimeters of annual rainfall. The dominant source of irrigation in the country is wells. Alluvial soil is the predominant type of soil in the northern plains of the country. The mountain areas account for about 30% of the surface area of the country. तो इसका आंसर है A. About one-third of the area records more than 750 millimeters of annual rainfall. Consider the following statements. The world distributional pattern of volcanoes is zonal in character. That means they are confined to a few belts only. Most of the volcanoes are associated with weaker zones of the Earth's crust. The weaker zones are closely associated with seismic events. Which of the following statements is or are correct? तो इसका आंसर है D. 1, 2 and 3. What is Durant Line? It is a line separating Sindh province of Pakistan and Gujarat of India. It is an international boundary between India and Afghanistan, a part of the old Silk Route through which people from Central Asia migrated to India. तो इसका आंसर है B. It is an international boundary between India and Afghanistan. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Metamorphism is the result of heat and pressure on igneous and sedimentary rocks. No fossils are found in metamorphic rocks. Taj Mahal at Agra is made up of metamorphic rocks. Dynamic metamorphism is considered by large-scale rise in temperature. तो इसका आंसर है D. Dynamic metamorphism is caused by large-scale rise in temperature. Consider the following statements and select the correct answer using the code given below. In India, productivity of sugarcane is 50% more than that of Brazil. In Egypt, productivity of rice is 3 times more than that of India. In UK, productivity of wheat is 3 times more than that of India. In Argentina, productivity of maize is 3 times more than that of India. तो इसका आंसर है C. 2, 3 and 4 are correct. Which of the following statements is correct? The Earth's mantle is the largest element of the Earth, occupying 82% of the total volume and 65% of the total mass of the Earth. Most of the Earth's mantle is in gaseous form. This layer has the maximum density of all the layers. Immediately above the mantle is the crust of the Earth. तो इसका आंसर है A. The Earth's mantle is the largest element of the Earth, occupying 82% of the total volume and 65% of the total mass of the Earth. Sugarcane belongs to grass family. Sugarcane, a very long duration crop, is planted during January, February and July-August period in South India, while during February, March and October-November in North India. Sugarcane is basically a tropical crop. It can bear the temperature ranges between 12 to 30 degrees Celsius. It can stand in the rainfall of 75 cm to 120 cm. Select the correct answer using the code given below. तो इसका आंसर है B. 1 and 3 only. Which is not the exact cause of change of seasons? Revolution of the earth around the sun, rotation of the earth around its axis, inclination of the earth's axis on the plane of earth's orbit, varying distances of the earth from the sun. तो इसका आंसर है D. Varying distance of the earth from the sun. The Sibalik Hills have been made out of the debris coming from Himalayas, Satluj Valley, Ganga Valley, Southern Peninsula. इसका आंसर है A. Himalayas. Which of the following best describes longitude? A distance towards east or west of the prime meridian, the angular distance east or west of the Greenwich meridian, position of a place with reference to Greenwich meridian, imaginary line joining North Pole with South Pole. तो इसका आंसर है B. The angular distance east or west of the Greenwich meridian. Consider the following statements. A galaxy is a huge mass of stars, nebula, and interstellar material. The sun, situated at the center of the Milky Way, and all the planets revolve around the sun. Which one of the above mentioned statements is correct? This answer is A. 1 only. Indian Standard Meridian passes through the states of UP, MP, AP and Karnataka, AP and Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and AP. तो इसका आंसर है D. Chhattisgarh, Odisha and AP. Which of the following Köppen's climate is based on precipitation and evaporation in place of temperature? DFC, AW, BSHW, CWG. तो इसका आंसर है C. BSHW. What are the controls affecting the climate of India? latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, ocean currents. तो ये इसका आंसर है D 1, 2, 3, 4. Consider the following. Annual range of temperature 18 degrees Celsius, average annual rainfall less than 12 cm, low relative humidity, hot and dry winds in summer season. The above climate characteristics are of which of the following places? तेजपुर, बेंगलुरु, जैसलमेर, भुवनेश्वर. तो इसका आंसर है सी, जैसलमेर. Which river of the peninsular plateau does not originate in the western Ghats? वैघाई, कावेरी, कृष्णा, महानदी. तो इसका आंसर है डी, महानदी. Which part of the India is worst affected by tropical cyclone? West coastal plain, east coastal plain, Deccan plateau, Ganga plain. तो इसका आंसर है बी, ईस्ट कोस्टल प्लेन. Which of the following statements are correct? The western part of the Marustali is covered by shifting sand dunes called Dhriyan. The Bhangar lands in Punjab are called as wetlands. Amarkantak is the highest peak of Satpura range. Vindhya range acts as a watershed between the Ganga system and the river systems of South India. तो इसका आंसर है बी, 1 and 4. Mumbai receives about 190 cm rainfall during the summer monsoon period, while Pune, barely 160 km away from Mumbai, receives only 50 cm of rainfall. What could be the probable cause for this uneven distribution of rainfall? Pune is away from the coast and the monsoon dries up by the time they reach this place. Mumbai is at the coast, while Pune is located in the rain shadow area of the Western Ghats. तो इसका आंसर है बी, only 2 is true. With reference to the river Luni, which one of the following statements is correct? It flows into Gulf of Khambat, it flows into Gulf of Kutch, it flows in Pakistan and merges with a tributary of the Indus, it is lost in the marshy sand of the run of Kutch. तो इसका आंसर है 3. It is lost in the marshy sand of the run of Kutch. Which of the following statements is not correct? Mahanadi rises in Chhattisgarh, Godavari river rises in Maharashtra, Kaveri river rises in Telangana, Tapi river rises in Madhya Pradesh. तो इसका आंसर है सी, कावेरी रिवर राइजेस इन तेलंगाना. Consider the following statements and select the correct answer using the codes given below. The Ganga has minimum flow from January to June. Jhelum has maximum flow in May and June. Godavari has 2 maxima of water flow. Narmada has maximum flow from January to July. तो इसका आंसर है A, 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Consider the following statements. The Dead Sea is so named because virtually nothing lives in it, as it has 30% concentration of salts and minerals. While a normal sea has a relatively high percentage of sodium and chloride, the Dead Sea is low on these minerals and high on potassium, magnesium, bromide and calcium minerals. तो इसका आंसर है A. Both are correct. Consider the following statements. Narmada is said to be flowing in Old Rift Valley. Most part of the Brahmaputra river in the Assam plain is an example of braided stream. Which of the above statement are correct? इसका आंसर है C, both 1 and 2. Which one of the following statements is not true? Ghagar's water is utilized in the Indira Gandhi Canal. Narmada rises from Amarkantak region. Penganga is a tributary of the Godavari. Brahmaputra takes a sharp turn while entering India. तो इसका आंसर है A. Ghagar's water is utilized in the Indira Gandhi Canal. The first streams to be initiated on a newly emerging coastal plain are consequent streams. The most ideal landscape for the origin and development of consequent drainage system are domes and rolling plains, domes and volcanic cones, dome and marshy areas, dome and soft earth zone. तो इसका आंसर है B, dome and volcanic cones. Which tributary of the Ganga originates in Tibet and is an example of an antecedent river? यमुना, घाघरा, गंडक, रामगंगा। तो इसका आंसर है सी, गंडक। The river Narmada flows to the west, while most other large peninsular rivers flows to the east. Why? It occupies a linear rift valley. It flows between the Vindhyas and the Satpuras. The land slopes to the west from central India. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. इसका आंसर है डी, नन। इसका आंसर है सी, 1 and 3 only. The island of New Moray, an uninhabited territory, is located near the Sargasso Sea, near the Gulf of Aden, near the Strait of Hormuz, near the Bay of Bengal. तो इसका आंसर है डी, near the Bay of Bengal. Consider the following hills region: Cardamom Hills, Coromandel Coast; Kaimar Hills, Konkan Coast; Mahadev Hills, Central India; Mikar Hills, Northeast India. Which of the above pairs are correctly matched? तो इसका आंसर है सी, 3 and 4. Which among the following cities of India will have midday sun exactly overhead only a year? Delhi and Chennai, Srinagar and Darjeeling, Hyderabad and Kohima, Nagpur and Kolkata. तो इसका आंसर है बी, श्रीनगर एंड दार्जिलिंग। तो ये मैच द फॉलोइंग है, मैच लिस्ट 1 to लिस्ट 2 एंड सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर यूजिंग द कोड्स गिवन बिलो। लिस्ट 1 में है हमारा भबर, तराई, भंगर, खदर। लिस्ट 2 में उसका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक दिया है, ए नैरो बेल्ट रनिंग इन ईस्ट वेस्ट डायरेक्शन along the foot of the Shivaliks, a narrow belt running in the east-west direction marked by ill-drained marshy lands composed of new alluvium forming floodplains along the river banks, composed of old alluvium above the level of the floodplains. तो इसका आंसर है डी, यानी कि भबर का है 1, तराई का है 2 और भंगर का है 4 और खदर का है 3. If there were no Himalayan ranges, what would have been the most likely geographical impact of India? Much of the country would experience the cold wave from Siberia. Indo-Gangetic plain would be devoid of such extensive alluvial rocks. The pattern of monsoon would be different from what it is at present. करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स पूछा है, तो इसका आंसर है 65 का डी, 1, 2 and 3, मतलब ऑल ऑफ द अबव. Which of the following is or are correct? The northern Pacific is the deepest part of the ocean. The southwest Pacific is devoid of marginal seas. The southwest Pacific has broad submarine ridges and plateaus. The ocean floor of the Pacific Ocean is fairly uniform with broad rises and depressions. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. तो इसका आंसर है डी, 1, 3 और 4. Which one of the following sets of conditions is necessary for a good cultivation of wheat? Moderate temperature and moderate rainfall, high temperature and heavy rainfall, high temperature and moderate rainfall, low temperature and low rainfall. इसका आंसर है ए, moderate temperature and moderate rainfall. Which of the following measures are effective for soil conservation in India? Avoiding crop rotation, afforestation, encouraging the use of chemical fertilizers, limiting shifting cultivation. तो इसका आंसर है बी, 2 and 4. The Himalayas started rising in the period of Middle Miocene, Middle Eocene, Middle Oligocene, Middle Paleocene. तो इसका आंसर है बी, मिडिल Eocene. Consider the following statements. The Tertiary is the most significant period in India's geological history because the Himalayas were born in this period. Pleistocene is marked by cold climate and widespread glaciation. Which of the above statement is or are correct? इसका आंसर है C, both 1 and 2. A particular state of India has the following characteristic. It is located at the same latitude which passes through northern Rajasthan. It has over 80% of its area under forest cover. Over 12% of the forest cover constitute protected area network in the state. Which one of the following states has all the above characteristics? अरुणाचल प्रदेश, आसाम, हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड. इसका आंसर है ए, अरुणाचल प्रदेश. Which one of the following statements is not correct? Fohn is called climatic oasis in Switzerland. Chinook is called the snow eater in North America. Halmerton is called doctor in Guyana. Sirocco is called Khamsin in Spain. तो इसका आंसर है डी, Sirocco is called Khamsin in Spain. Which of the following states do not share border with each other? Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, Telangana and Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha, Mizoram and Nagaland. इसका आंसर है मिजोरम एंड नागालैंड. The longest beach of India is situated at Mumbai, Chennai, Gopalpur, Mangalore. तो इसका आंसर है बी, चेन्नई. Which state of India does not share international border with Bangladesh? Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura. इसका आंसर है मणिपुर. Consider the following statements. Cotton textile industry uses pure raw material which does not lose weight during the process. Iron and steel industry tends to be located near the source of raw materials. तो इसका आंसर है C, both 1 and 2 are correct. When a person transfers from Mangalore west to Chennai east, which one of the following sequences from west to east of forest type does he observe? Tropical evergreen, tropical wet deciduous, tropical semi-evergreen, tropical dry. Tropical west deciduous, tropical evergreen, tropical semi-evergreen, tropical dry. Tropical semi-evergreen, tropical evergreen, tropical wet deciduous, tropical dry. Tropical evergreen, tropical wet deciduous, tropical dry, tropical semi-evergreen. तो इसका आंसर है ए, ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन, फिर वेट deciduous, फिर सेमी एवरग्रीन, फिर ड्राई. Which of the following leaf modification occur in desert areas to inhibit water loss? Hard and waxy leaves, tiny leaves or no leaves, thorns instead of leaves. Select the correct answer using the code given below. तो इसका आंसर है डी, 1, 2 and 3. Give correct sequence of number of people speaking following languages. हिंदी, बंगाली, तेलुगु, मराठी. हिंदी, तेलुगु, बंगाली, मराठी. हिंदी, मराठी, तेलुगु, बंगाली. हिंदी, बंगाली, मराठी, तेलुगु. तो इसका आंसर है ए, हिंदी, बंगाली, तेलुगु, मराठी. Consider the following statements. The Population Commission of the United Nations considers the ability to both read and write a simple message with understanding in any language is a sufficient basis for classifying a person as literate. Census of India considers a person aged 7 and above who can both read and write with understanding in any language a literate person. A person who can only read but cannot write is not literate. Which of the above statements is or are true? इसका आंसर है डी, all above. Which is the most important resource of Southwest Asia? हाइड्रोकार्बन्स, आयरन और कोल, बॉक्साइड। इसका आंसर है ए, हाइड्रोकार्बन। Consider the following statements. Dedicated freight corridors have been planned to ease the growing passenger and goods traffic on busy routes. The eastern and the western corridors will meet each other at Delhi. इसका आंसर है डी, neither one nor two is correct. Consider the following statements. Sugar industry is a raw material oriented industry. There is a gradual shifting of sugar industry from the peninsular India to North India. इसका आंसर है A. Only one is correct. The southwest summer monsoon reaches first in the state of Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. इसका आंसर है A. Kerala. Which of the following statements is not correct? Damodar River rises in Chota Nagpur Plateau. It flows in a rift valley. It is an important tributary of the Ganga. It passes through the mineral-rich region. इसका आंसर है सी, इट इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ द गंगा. Consider the following statements. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam has been constructed on Krishna River in Telangana. Tehri Dam is located at the confluence of Bhagirathi and Vilganga rivers. Rihant Valley project is an important project of Madhya Pradesh. The Gandak project is executed jointly by Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Which of the above statements is not true? Not true पूछा है, तो इसका आंसर है सी. रिहांत वैली प्रोजेक्ट इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश. Consider the following statements and mark the wrong statement. Zinc is found in veins in association with galena. Major production of zinc is from Jawar area in Rajasthan. Small quantities of zinc are exported to countries like Canada, Australia, and Russia. Some deposits containing zinc are also found in Udhampur district of Jammu and Kashmir. तो इसका आंसर है सी. Small quantities of zinc are exported to countries like Canada, Australia, and Russia. इसमें wrong statement पूछा था मैं. Which of the following does not have uranium deposits? झारखंड, मध्य प्रदेश, मेघालय, हरियाणा. तो इसका आंसर है डी, हरियाणा. India has near monopoly in the world in the production of bauxite, mica, gypsum, nickel. इसका आंसर है बी, mica. In which of the one of the following crops international trade is low in context of total produce? राइस, कॉफ़ी, रबर, व्हीट. इसका आंसर है राइस. Though coffee and tea are cultivated on hill slopes, there is some difference between them regarding their cultivation. In the context, consider the following statement. Coffee plants require hot and humid climate of tropical areas, whereas tea can be cultivated in both tropical and subtropical areas. Coffee is a shade-loving plant which is grown with other shady trees, whereas tea bushes can be planted in the open without any shade. Which of the statements is or are correct? तो इसका आंसर है सी, both 1 and 2. Tank irrigation is practiced mainly in peninsular India because undulating relief and hard rocks make it difficult to dig canals and wells. Rivers are rain-fed of compact nature of population and agricultural fields. Select the correct answer using the code given below. तो इसका आंसर है A, 1 and 2. For which of the following crops is Kerala not the largest producer in India? Pepper, cardamom, ginger, turmeric. इसका आंसर है D, turmeric. इसमें पूछा है not the largest producer. Which of the following methods of rice cultivation gives minimum yield and should be avoided as far as possible? Transplantation, drilling, broadcasting, Japanese. तो इसका आंसर है broadcasting. Wire tank irrigation is more important in the peninsular plateau of India. Rocks are hard and wells and canals cannot be dug. Underground water is scarce. Rivers are seasonal. तो इसका आंसर है D. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. If you travel through the Himalayas, you are likely to see which of the following plants naturally growing there: oak, rhododendron, sandalwood. Select the correct answer using code given below. तो इसका आंसर है A 1 and 2, मतलब oak and rhododendron. Consider the following states: Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, Meghalaya. Which of the above states have more than 80% of their total areas under forest? तो इसका आंसर है D 1, 3 and 4. With reference to soil conservation, consider the following matches: afforestation, contour plowing, crop rotation, terracing. Which of the above are considered appropriate method for soil conservation in India? तो इसका आंसर है D 1, 2, 3 and 4, मतलब all of the above. Formation of ravines is typical of soil erosion by water. What is the correct sequence of states suffering from ravines? मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश, राजस्थान, गुजरात. उत्तर प्रदेश, मध्य प्रदेश, राजस्थान, गुजरात. राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश, गुजरात. मध्य प्रदेश, राजस्थान, गुजरात, उत्तर प्रदेश. तो इसका आंसर है बी उत्तर प्रदेश, मध्य प्रदेश, राजस्थान और गुजरात. Consider the following statements. LD stamp used 18-degree isotherm of mean monthly temperature for January to divide India into temperate and tropical zones. The 18-degree isotherm of mean temperature for January runs in north-south along the 82-degree east longitude and divides India into two equal parts. Which of the above statements is or are correct? इसका आंसर है 1 only. तो इसी के साथ हमारा ये आज का मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज़ ख़त्म होता है. अगर आपको ये चाहिए तो मैं जिससे ख़रीदी हूँ उसका नंबर आपको प्रोवाइड कर दूँगी, जिसके लिए आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में यस लिख के बताइए अगर आपको चाहिए तो. और आज का सेशन हमारा यहीं तक था. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक कर दीजिए और डेली मॉक टेस्ट अटेम्प्ट करने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को क्लिक कर दीजिए. और साथ ही मैं इसका बुक रीडिंग भी कर रही हूँ, तो उसका लाइव क्लास भी आप देख सकते हैं. लाइव रीडिंग है. और अगर ख़रीदना हो तो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में यस करके बताइए. आज का सेशन यहीं तक था. थैंक यू. थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग.